Boy, do I have a treat for y'all today. I've got not one, but two of our TMG Safe vertical cookers. These are going on man Chase with Hammerheads in Louisville, Kentucky. He's gonna run his restaurant off these bad boys, so let's check them out, guys. So the Safe is our vertical style cooker here, all 1/4-inch plate steel construction. I mean, let's be real, guys. This is one badass looking cooker right here. So we'll open up the main chamber here. Inside, we've got 5 sliding trays. So you got a ton of cooker on this unit, guys. Small footprint, does not take up a lot of room, but she packs a punch. All the trays come out of there. Now on our first drawer here, we've got a drip pan / water tray. So this is removable. You don't have to have it in here, but catches all your drippings. A lot of guys will fill this with water, helps keep a little moisture in the smoke chamber. Now there is a diffuser plate in between the firebox and the main chamber. We'll open up the firebox here. So inside we've got a heavy duty fire grate there. And then the bottom drawer is an ash pan. So guys, we built this thing with easy cleanup in mind between the drip pan, ashtray, pull that out, dump it out, boom, you're ready to rock and roll again. Not gonna spend a lot of time fooling with this thing. Very easy to run, very efficient. And looks badass, guys. Come on, let's get real. So these are 2 TMG Safes heading out to my man Chase. Guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.